On the adjustment screen, we have adjustment menu. We have two separate views of the program. We have a work period scan adjustment, which shows a single employee for the whole work period. In this case, we've got the program set up for 14 days. And so we set the start date of the screen. We will set it to the 20th of August because I've got some test data in the program at the moment. So here we see all of the adjusted times for a single employee, Bill Anderson. We can select a different employee here and see the times for that employee. All the dates are down the left hand side of the screen, the total number of hours in the pink column, and each of the pairs of times in the yellow column here. If the employee had clocked in and out multiple times per day, then those times would appear along here. I think our first employee, I've added some extra time so that you can see what happens there. If you hold the cursor over a cell, sometimes a menu will appear, sometimes a little pop-up box will appear showing you further information. So on the date column, you can see the raw scans. Now, raw scans are the actual time that the employee clocked in and out. Even though we've got 7 o'clock till 7 p.m. here, 7 a.m. till 7 p.m., the employee probably didn't clock in and out of those times, and they're the raw times. So we'll see here they actually clocked in at 6:46 and they clocked out at 7:34, and those times have been rounded, and in this particular case adjusted as well, manually adjusted to those times there. And then I have manually added 2 extra times here. What I'll do, I'll use another item on this menu here to reset the times for this day for the person, because this is what would normally happen. I had manually added those times before. So we've got a total of 12 hours here, which is comprising 12 hours of normal time and a half-hour break. You can see that the difference between these times is 12 and a half hours, so that's why they add up there. So when you hold your cursor over the total column, it shows you the totals for each of the pay categories. This one here we can see 10:45, 9:15, 9 o'clock. Yep, so we can see those. When we hold the cursor over these times here, it shows any job, department or location information that has been recorded against a job.